Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily send a photo with a one-time view in the Instagram app. Please friends, subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments at the end of the video. Let's get started with you and me. And first of all, on your phone, open the Instagram app. In order to send a photo, you'll need to go to the messaging section and go to the person you're talking to. And next, in order to select a particular photo or to take a photo that you only want to send once, you'll need to click on something other than this gallery sign, because if you click here and select a photo, you'll only be able to send it with no option of how many times you can view it. If you only want a person to see your photo once, if you're afraid the person will keep it, or you don't want the person to send it to someone else, then you have to click here on the plus and the camera. Or you're going to have a camera sign right here right away, whoever has what the Instagram menu is like. You click on camera. Then you can either take a photo or you can click here to go to your gallery. Next, select a photo. And next, this is where you'll need to choose how many times they can view that photo. For example, leave it in the chat room. That is, if you choose this function, then this photo will be left in the chat room and the person will be able to view it a huge number of times. You need to select and view it once. Further, you just send this photo to the person. And as you can see, the photo is sent with such a bomb sign, so to speak, that is, if a person clicks on it, the photo after viewing will immediately disappear. Friends, this is the simple way you can send photos with a one-time view in the Instagram app. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to this channel, put your likes, write comments. See you all again.